So we're into the DT MaxxForce engine now. This one's off warranty. It was 6 years old. And when you pull the injector, the resistance is off. It's not right, so we're getting an injector and replacing the valve cover gasket. Comes with the harness. See, there's a wire that's starting the insulation. And looks like it's been repaired before. That was the dealer. And this sensor, it's the high pressure oil system sensor, the O-ring. I think it's worked its way out, and then the sensor was just loose, hanging by a couple of threads. So we're probably losing oil pressure, which of course hydraulically operates the injectors, and this thing was running very poorly. No performance, no power whatsoever. So just waiting for the parts, and we'll put it back together. This is the inaugural first job.